Harbor Breeze ceiling fan from around 2005 to 2012. Has 3 speeds and is reversible. The blade finish is reversible as well. The light kit is not the globe for the light kit is not original. It was salvaged from a light fixture that was purchased at a yard sale that happened to fit. On low now. The spin down is about 3 minutes. So I will just tell you that right now. I am making sure the light kit is straight. Alright, reverse now. We've got a little bit of shaking. I think the original chain pulls were like this. This is my Chinese good luck one tied to it. But they're the sort of normal kind. This bell-shaped one, I think we got it off of the CEC Georgian. I made a video about it earlier. About a year ago, I think. Check it out if you're a fellow fan collector, ceiling fan collector. Alright, we're switching to medium. Oh. The fan is fully functional. Spin down is a few minutes on this too. Yeah, 3 minutes as well. So I would like to thank you for watching. I'm going to be doing a series of videos. I've got tons of stuff that I got like a year ago, and oh my god, and I have just not been posting them. I'm getting so behind, so I will be making a series of videos. So yeah. Whew. Probably like 20 videos, I'm not even sure. But anyway, thank you for watching, and more videos definitely to come soon.